The Harvest Gold refrigerator in the 70s was Command Central.
School lunch menus.
Reminder from the dentist about when your next appointment was going to be.
Mom's meal planner for the whole week.
Coupons.
Everybody's class picture hooked up like this.
Yeah, magnets everywhere.
Couldn't see the fridge.
Your report card.
All of our art, whether
Oh.
it was good or bad.
That was the Louvre.
Mom, over at the Stevenson. Everything
Was
on the
fridge.
fridge. What was on your fridge?